Greetings of the day, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we can discuss something about imageries. Have you heard the word imageries? You know what is imagery? When we read a poem or a story, we come across so many imageries. Okay, what are imageries? In simple sentence, we can see that imageries are picturing words. In Malayalam, we can say Vakmaya Chitram. Adana imageries. They appeal to our senses. You know what are senses? You may have studied in science. Which are the sense organs? Which are the sense organs? Eyes. We can see through eyes. Then ears. We can hear. Tongue. We can taste. Nose. We can smell. Skin. Touch and feel. These are the 5 sense organs you have studied. Now we can go through this images. 5 images. First one, visual image. What are visual images? Visual image means when we read a line in a poem or a story, when we read a sentence or a line, we get a feeling that we could see that in front of us. For example, paddy fields fluttering in the breeze. The sun shines brightly from above the hills. What feeling we get? നമുക്കത് നമ്മുടെ മുന്നിൽ കാണുന്ന പോലെ ഒരു ഫീലിംഗ്. പാഡി ഫീൽഡ്സ് ഇളം കാറ്റിലേറ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഫ്ലട്ടർ ചെയ്യുന്നതായിട്ട് പാറിപ്പറക്കുന്നതായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ചിത്രം നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിൽ വരുന്നു. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സൂര്യൻ പ്രകാശിച്ച് നിൽക്കുന്നതായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പിക്ചർ നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിലേക്ക് വരുന്നു. That is visual image. The second one, auditory image. What is auditory image? Auditory image, we get a feeling of hearing. നമുക്ക് കേൾക്കുന്നതായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പ്രതീതി. For example, barking dogs. Chirping of birds. നമുക്കത് കിളികളുടെ ആ ശബ്ദം കേൾക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഫീലിംഗ്. നായ കുരയ്ക്കുന്നതായ ഒരു ശബ്ദം കേൾക്കുന്ന ഫീലിംഗ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് അത് ഓഡിറ്ററി ഇമേജിന് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ദെൻ തേർഡ് വൺ, ഓൾഫാക്ടറി ഇമേജ്. We get a feeling of smell. We get a feeling of smell. For example, fragrance of the flower. It is an example for olfactory image. Then perfume. Rotten egg. That is a bad smell. Okay. Rotten egg. All these are examples for olfactory image. Then fourth one, gustatory image. Connected with the taste, we get a feeling of taste. For example, salty biscuit, sweet chocolate. We get a feeling of tasting there. So it is an example for gustatory image. Then fifth one, tactile image. Tactile image means it is touch and feel effect we get. For example, severe cold, soft skin. All these are examples for tactile image. So these are the 5 main images. Actually there are 7 images, but in 8th, 9th and 10th standard you have to study only these 5 images. Okay, Now we can recollect it once again. First one, visual image, seeing effect. Second one, auditory image, hearing effect. Third one, olfactory image, smell. Gustatory image, taste. Last one, tactile image, touch and feel. These are the 5 main images. Now, when you go through the 8th standard textbook, you may have learned the poem Taj Mahal, written by Rabindranath Tagore. In that poem, you can go through so many images. Okay, you can find it out. For example, visual image, crimson splendor, rainbow sign, solitary tears. All these are fine examples for visual image. Again, auditory image, harsh thunder, heaved sigh. All these are examples for auditory image. Again, we come across 10th standard textbook. Lines written in early spring, written by William Wordsworth. You can come across so many visual images there in the poem. For example, the birds around me hopped and played, budding twigs spread out fan, the flowers, the grove. All these are examples for visual image. Then auditory image. I heard 1,000 blended notes. It is a fine example for auditory image. Again, tactile image. Every flower enjoys the air it breathes. Enjoyment, it is a feeling. So it is an example for tactile image. Okay, so these are the main 5 images that we have to study in 8th, 9th and 10th standard. Now you can do, when you go, you take any poem that you have studied, any poem, and you find out the images, different kinds of images in that poem. Classify them. Okay. Thank you, children.